This is Mellow Night Guard, and we're back with another video. So, yes, you're wondering why you're not gaining any subscribers, because you guys think my username is like a medical product. Wrong! That ain't it. My YouTuber name doesn't mean a medical product. I'll tell you what it means. Mellow means DJ. Night Guard is video gamer. So I'm a DJ video gamer. Mellow Night Guard means that. But we're getting off topic here. So if you guys want to don't want to subscribe to me because you think my username is a medical product, then I don't want your subscriber. You don't have to subscribe to me. I don't care. I'm keeping the name. I upload every day, almost daily videos, so we are here to review a food product. You all guys know about Markiplier reviewing food products or candy products and tasting them. And you already know about Sour Patch Kids. So, I decided to do a food review. So, let's get started. This is candy popcorn Sour Patch Kids. It has like 150 calories, 9% total fat, Saturn fat 15%, calorie 0, sodium 1, total carbohydrate 7, dehydrated fiber 4%, including 14 G's, added sugars 28%. So, if you watch Markiplier's Sour Patch Kids review, he did like the ice cream, the cereal, even that energy mix. But I'm here to review this. So let's get started. Here, I can give you like a little detail if it ever focuses it on it. Though, I don't know, but there's like a little green on it and red, and it's corn. So here we go. You guys, hold up. Here we go. Yes, I am outside, so you're wondering why I can't do it with a camera I have. Well, I got this camera off Amazon. Here, let me show you guys. This camera. If you saw my unboxing video, Well, that's the camera I was using. The camera I got right there. So I don't think I could use the camera while I have the mic. So the flavor tastes like popcorn. Tastes like, and the other part tastes like that sweet popcorn, but also has that sour taste to it. So it tastes like it. Hold up. It tastes like popcorn, but also has that chocolatey taste to it, but also kind of sour, but not enough sourness. But it's good though, but I saw this at Walmart, and I want to try it, but also I want to do it while I'm recording the video. So it's real good. Alright, I give you that. It's good, but not that good though. I mean, I kind of like it, but at the same time, I really don't. So and plus, another thing I want to tell you in this review channel, that later in the future, I'm thinking about like getting 3 people to help me out on this. So my idea is like one editor, a person that can schedule the time, the day, and the month and year to do the recording, and a third person that sets up the recording. Sets up everything. Because also I'm just using a laptop. So you're wondering where's your hey, no, not guard, where's your suit? Well, the suit. Well, I don't want it. I wear it no more. Well, I'll do, but just not today or any other videos. You guys. Look, I'm not trying to gain subscribers, okay? I'm not trying to be famous. Sure. All of you guys all of you girls and guys out there want content. I'm not asking much, but I'm in debt, okay? I keep on spending my money on things that I want, but what I really should save up for is my own house, my own recording studio. If you guys and gals could just do that one thing for me, help me out, I will do more videos. But I can't do that if I don't get any subscribers, because I need money so I could actually make content for you guys and gals. And that's why it says subscribe and hit that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. It just sucks, man. Alright? Well, I'm not trying to gain subscribers. I do want to gain subscribers, but not the way I'm doing it. So, after this video, I'll edit it tomorrow, then upload it on that day when I'm done editing that video. If you guys and gals could help me out, I would be so happy. But if you guys and gals don't subscribe to me, then I can't make videos. I'll have to like quit doing YouTube. And that means no merchandise. No merchandise, no YouTube, no merchandise. That means that prototype plushie my sister's going to make is going to me. One else. I'll have my sister to make one. Well, I need your guys' help. Please. That mellow plushie. Guess what? It won't happen unless you guys and gals subscribe. Alright? So, I always keep saying this. I hope you guys and gals now have a wonderful and fantastic day. I was Melon Nightguard, signing off. So, goodbye.